My name is Fabien. I'm managing the London Bicycle Tour company. Now we are just celebrating 35 years to do tour guiding in London. Here is one of the main highlights of London. It's Buckingham Palace. It's one of the most famous palaces in the world. People come to London, discover the history and the beautiful city that is London. And on the other side, we are huge activity with hiring bikes, not just even London, even outskirts of the UK. They can go up to Scotland and Wales. So we need the best bikes in the market. We invested up to 20 Estarli bikes for running 2 tours every day. We have actually at the moment 4 people who are enjoying the tour. The first reason we chose Estarli, we were looking for reliable quality e-bikes for our tours and customers. And the first thing is we look around and we find in the UK, nearby London, company Estarli. And we went there, we tried the bike first because the best thing is you need to try a bike to feel it. And we fell in love completely with it. It's comfortable. You have a drive belt. That was one of the first thing we wanted because for the tour, customers come with heavy pants. So we don't want them to have grease with the chain. And so we have less maintenance for the tour. And you have also a system which is going to adapt and change the gearing automatically. So for the customers, it's very easy for them. They just cycle and the bike adjusts and adapts. They have a long battery, so I know I can do also several tours during the day without charging them. And if you can see, no cable outside, so that's a big plus for us also, because we know that when they're stacking, the cable won't get cut off and rip off, so we don't have to take any extra maintenance on the bike. One also of the key thing about the bike is how light it is. For the customers, you can imagine if they have 1 or 2, 3 steps to bring the bikes up, or if they need to push, because in some places you can cycle in London, so you have to push the bike. So the bike is just light. It's like a normal bike. You don't even think that's an e-bike. Also, actually, I ride it without any battery on it, and you can cycle it like it's a normal bike. There is some specific points we really wanted when we choose the bike. The first one is step-through bike, because it's easier to get on the bike, to get off the bikes, because when we are doing a tour, we are stopping quite often. So we want the thing to be as smoothly as we can for the customers, so they feel safe. That's the most important. The other one is the underbar. We took like the curved one, that's the Dutch style bar. It makes them more comfortable, sit-up position, and because we want highlight tour, we want people to look around at the same time and see what London has to offer to them. We have also the back here who help us to put the bags for the tour guides so they can put their equipment, and also for customers if they want to hire the bike as a touring bike, so they can hire panniers from us. All these features we can adjust and ask Estarli also to build up the bikes as we want.
Quelques années en arrière, on en discutait justement avec mon collègue. Vous avez un collègue qui est
Ouais, qui sont en train de faire les tours.
On l'a fait avec lui il y a 5 ans en arrière.
Bonne journée. So just before the tour, how we start, we just explain to people how we use the bikes, so it's very important, so they feel confident and not lost before. But actually, it's so easy. It takes us like a minute to explain how the bikes work. So the first thing we are doing is just switch it on the bike. We're gonna press the button for 5 seconds. And after you have the control, you can see the battery just over there, you have the speed, and that's the assistant. So if I want to light up, I just press twice on it, and you have the little symbol saying I put the lights on. I can change also the assistant who is gonna suit me if I want the bike to go faster when I start to press. The most important thing why we want a simple bike and a simple technology, because e-bikes can scare people, is because people who are coming on tour are not cycling every day, that want great experience. So everything needs to be smooth, easy, simple for everyone. We invested also on the long tail bike, and that was really important for us because one of the main things is the families. We are bringing families on tours, and sometimes we have some people who can't cycle, Even adults can cycle sometimes, or they get injured. And so we invest in the long tail. So small kids can go on the tour with their parents, or people who get injured, or the grandfather or grandmother who are not able to cycle anymore because she has some bad knee. She can join on the tour because we have the long tail available. We can go further, faster, so we can make a longer experience, more dense, more content for the customers, and also they feel better. They haven't spent as much energy. It can be challenging for some people to cycle inside the city. So if you are on an e-bike with that kind of easy help assistance, you can imagine doing 1, 2 tours, higher bikes also, because that's our aim, that people continue to cycle every day. And that's now accessible for everyone. With that kind of bike, everyone can cycle every day for hours.